Welcome, students. Great to have you here again. As usual, or as we do every time we're with you, we solve a question from one of the exercises in your new general mathematics for senior secondary schools. And we'll be currently dealing with the SS1 to SS3 series. And we're going to be also dealing with the GS1 to GS3 series once we finish with this particular series. And thereafter, we'll go from primary 1 to primary 6. That way we get people solving this question before they go to class. They get better at mathematics. They love mathematics because they know what they're doing. But before I continue, guys, we need you to subscribe. Once you subscribe, it tells us you want us to continue with this series. It encourages us to keep churning out these solutions. If you don't subscribe, well, we just believe people don't really want this and we don't bother with it. But please subscribe. Let others get to benefit from this. And share with a friend. Let them know that such a thing exists. Let them also get better. That's a gift you can give a friend at no cost to you. It's a great gift. Go ahead and give a friend this gift. So what we'll be solving today is question 14 under exercise 1A. Chapter 1 of your new general mathematics. You can get this question on page 15, and we'll be doing the step-by-step solution. And the first thing we always tell anyone solving this question is they should do it on their own first. But first, what's the question? We say it's 2 over 3 in parentheses raised to power minus 1. So how do we solve this? First thing, solve on your own. Then you compare with the solution we are providing below. So to start off, we're going to break this down. 2 over 3 raised to power minus 1 in parentheses is simply the same thing as 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power minus 1. You see, this minus 1 affects both numbers enclosed in the parentheses, so it becomes 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power minus 1. And we all know from the fourth law of indices that anything raised to a negative power, anything raised to a negative exponent, is the same thing as that whole number, that whole variable raised to that exponent, that's a positive exponent, all dividing 1. Meaning 1 divided by that variable, which is x, raised to that exponent, but this time the positive integer, so we have x raised to power a. So 1 divided by x raised to power a. So that's what the fourth law of indices says. You can check some of our previous solutions to see where we proved that. So what you now have is this: 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 divided by 2 raised to power 1 divided by 1 divided by 3 raised to power 1. So what do you have? It is 1 divided by 2 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, which gives you half times 3, because by the time you convert this division to multiplication, this number inverts. By the time you convert this division to the multiplication, this number inverts. And what you have is half times 3 over 1. And the answer is simply 3 over 2. And there you have it, the answer to question 14. And I believe we're able to do justice to this. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.